Hello, my name is Xue. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in tourism management, and now I am a graduate student in art and design at Zhejiang Normal University. During my undergraduate studies, I came into contact with people from diverse backgrounds, such as tour guides, hotel managers, and Aboriginal residents. The immersive communication with them inspired me to reflect on business, people, and social phenomena. It also made me discover the contradictory relationship between individuals and social changes. As a young person with independent consciousness, I am wondering what kind of media or means I can use to help them navigate their current challenges more effectively and conveniently. So I choose to focus on the study of visual media because vision can make people absorb information quickly and convey emotions to my audience more directly. This bridges cultural divides, fostering emotional connections and enabling individuals to realize their social value. Today, I want to talk about my project, Anti-Fragility. This is based on my discovery of the powerlessness of China's current society in the face of fierce competition. This is not only exacerbates conflicts between people, but also puts people in a state of fear and tension under pressure. My project is based on the concept of fragility to guide people to correctly understand and deal with pressure. During my research, I read a book called Anti-Fragility, which mentioned that anti-fragility is a trait that grows stronger under pressure, and everything has this potential. Thus, we can draw wisdom from the world around us to enhance our energy, so as to resolve the negative effects of pressure. I began by extracting visual forms from materials subjected by physical pressure, and then transformed the extracted elements into standardized visual symbols. I applied 6 kinds of pressure: pinching, poking, pulling, twisting, flinging, and pounding to various materials and to my own body to feel the changes. For instance, poking brings annoying feeling, while pulling evoked conflicting feelings. And then I matched these sensations to pressure in daily life. Subsequently, I created movements that humans can imitate the state of the material. I hope these movements will help people obtain anti-fragile energy to better cope with the pressure. I designed a manual for developing anti-fragility, aiming to help people learn in a more systematic and standardized way, deal with pressure calmly, and acquire individual anti-fragility. The manual explains in detail how to acquire anti-fragility and cope with different pressures, and I divide the process into 3 parts: perceiving the body and emotions, embracing pressure through movements, and transforming pressure into poetry to gain new life. In the content layout, the first part is the introduction, which guides the reader from left to right by aggregating information. The movement explanation part integrates rich visual graphics into the fixed text layout and adjusts the position of some information to increase the freshness of reading. In addition, I use gauze curtains and carpets to create an immersive space, allowing people to follow the instructions or dance freely to feel the relationship between pleasure and the body. In the graphic and manual design of this project, I hope that through diversified graphic design, readers can feel the visual richness and rigorous beauty at the same time. I realized that design should not only create beauty with the clear information, but also add value to the world from the sensory and ideological levels. In the future in Glasgow, I hope to continue exploring the potential problems of society, becoming an observer of life and a disseminator of ideas. Through visual means, I want to provoke individual and social reflection on the structural changes in society, and I will consider how social phenomena can transform at various levels, from individual to humanity as a whole. This is my introduction video. Thank you for your time.